Alright, I wish I had somebody else to make this video. These are all our pretty girls and a few boys in the middle section here. And we are herding chickens. I should say I am herding chickens from the conics over here, where these ones have outgrown their space, and so we're putting them into the new space. So I set up a little tunnel here because they don't like to be herded very much. And so, oh, this one doesn't feel very good, so you can hang on over there for a minute. So I am working on getting these guys, they don't want to leave. I'm working on getting them to go through the little tunnel over there, over into the next place. And they really don't want to go. They're just ornery about it. Come on, guys. Come on, girls. See, I'm trying to get them to go that way. Kind of got feed bags to kind of push them. I need something stiffer than feed bags, I guess, because they just run through it. So I'm taking them in little batches because I can't get them all to go at once. If I had another person, we might be able to do a little bit more. I just push them. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Go on. Go on. Yeah, so I didn't get very many that time. I'm only using one hand, but hey, pretty. Hey, pretty girl. Well, we got a few in there. We'll go get some more. These guys are confused. I don't know where to go. So, here I go again. Because they kind of stampede, but they just stampede in a circle. Like, they don't want to actually go out the door. They just want to stay here where their home is, what they're used to. Even though the other place is much nicer. Has lots of sunshine. Hey, let's go, girls. And boy, there's a boy. There's a rooster right there. Novagen rooster, or maybe a Rhode Island red rooster. I'm not sure. Come on, we're going that way. That way. It's so funny because last night at FHE we were actually talking about herding chickens, and here I am trying to herd chickens. Come on. Come on. Keep going. There we go. Come on. They're trying to go in the crate. They'd rather go in the crate. They'd rather go in the crate than go to their new home. Okay. Oh my gosh.